The edge of sunlight. Imagine traveling 3 billion miles away from the sun. So far that daylight turns into permanent twilight. Here, the sun is not a blazing star. It is a tiny, distant spark, 900 times dimmer than on Earth. Welcome to Neptune, the last true planet of our solar system. A frozen blue giant standing at the edge of interstellar darkness. Discovered in 1846, not by accident, but by pure mathematics. Astronomers noticed something strange. Uranus was wobbling. Something invisible was pulling on it. Two mathematicians, Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams, predicted a hidden planet using equations alone. When telescopes looked exactly where math said, there it was, a sapphire world hiding in the dark for billions of years. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete just one orbit. Since its discovery, it has completed only one full revolution around the sun. But don't let its calm blue color fool you. Neptune is not peaceful. It is violent beyond imagination. The planet of supersonic chaos. Neptune holds a terrifying record. It has the fastest winds in the solar system. Storms here reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. If you stood in those winds, your body would be torn apart before you could even hear the storm. But here's the mystery. Neptune receives very little sunlight. It should be frozen and inactive, yet it radiates 2.6 times more heat than it absorbs from the sun. Something inside it is burning. Deep within its interior lies an unknown heat source, possibly leftover formation energy or slow gravitational compression. In 1989, Voyager 2 flew past Neptune and saw something terrifying, a massive Earth-sized storm called the Great Dark Spot. But when the Hubble Space Telescope looked years later, it had vanished. Unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Neptune's storms appear and disappear like ghosts. We still don't fully understand why. This planet breathes storms, and its breath screams at supersonic speeds. Diamond rain and the broken magnetic heart. As we descend beneath Neptune's clouds, pressure increases beyond imagination. Thousands of miles down, carbon atoms are crushed so violently that scientists believe it literally rains diamonds. Yes, diamond rain. Laboratory experiments on Earth confirm that under Neptune-like pressure, hydrocarbons can split apart, forming solid diamonds. These diamonds may sink into a scorching, superheated ocean of water, ammonia, and methane, an electrified fluid capable of generating magnetic chaos. Because Neptune's magnetic field is broken, it is tilted by 47 degrees from its rotational axis, an offset from the planet's center. If you stood there with a compass, it would spin wildly. The planet's magnetic field wobbles and shifts unpredictably. Why? Possibly because the magnetic field is generated, not in the core, but in a shell of conductive, icy fluid. Neptune is frozen outside, but inside, it may be hotter than the surface of the sun. The captured moon and the future Neptune. Neptune is also a cosmic thief. Its largest moon, Triton, does not belong here. Triton likely formed in the Kuiper Belt and was captured by Neptune's gravity billions of years ago. It orbits backward, a retrograde orbit. This is a death sentence. Over millions of years, Triton is spiraling closer. One day, Neptune's gravity will tear it apart. It will shatter into debris and form a spectacular ring system far greater than Saturn's. Neptune will wear a crown of shattered ice. But that's not the only future awaiting this world. As the sun ages and expands into a red giant, about 5 billion years from now, Neptune may briefly warm. Its frozen atmosphere could become more dynamic. Its moons may experience temporary melting beneath their surfaces. And then, when the sun dies and becomes a white dwarf, Neptune may survive, a frozen, lonely planet, orbiting a dead star in eternal darkness, the last lighthouse of a solar system long gone. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, and beyond that, interstellar space. Neptune stands at the boundary, a reminder that the universe is not warm. It is not safe. It is vast, cold, and beautifully indifferent.